feeling confident, but when you don't know what you're going into. But I've done 2 already today, so that has helped. Homelessness, children, basically to let children be themselves and a better future for them in schools and that, because I have a teaching background, and better working conditions for employees. And then I'm coming from a compliance pharmaceutical background, so I'd be very big on that and trying to maintain the bun wraps in the area. There's a certain skill set present. Now anybody who's an Irish citizen over 35 can go for it, and that's great, and we're in a democracy, but for that role you need to have a certain skill set, personal life experience, work experience, to actually be able to do the job of the President and work in collaboration with the government and the cabinet, basically the Oireachtas and the judiciary. I have all those skill sets, so I tick the boxes there, and I'm Irish, I'm proud, and I'm very strong. I'm a good negotiator. I've proven that in all my previous roles. I've always been a leader. I've been a leader in work, and I listen to people. I'm an active listener, and I think that's a key in that job, because you're in a negotiation role. When the cabinet come to you with bills or laws to be passed, I'm there basically as a gatekeeper for the Irish people to ensure that everything's compliant and is within the constitution, and that the people aren't forgotten. So basically I want to nurture that for people, and I'm on the ground. I'm in tune with young people, middle-aged people, old people, in all the jobs I've done. I've been on board of managements for school and that. I've worked with the Department of Education, so I think I'm an all-rounder, so just hoping.
Thanks, Catherine.